about you are effortless, comes to my mind.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hello, I'm Subrena. If you are not new to this, welcome back to another video. So today we're here with another wig install, and as y'all can see, your girl is really experimenting with colors lately and I'm loving this, okay? So if you've been around here, you would know that I just figured out how to really like lay and slay a wig, lay and slay a lace, anything, okay? But y'all know I love my natural looking install, so I am here with a behind the hairline wig install for y'all. Look how friggin' natural, look how natural this is, y'all. This is completely behind the hairline, but literally with minimal, like the least amount of hair left out possible, so you really don't actually have to worry about too much blending. So super huge thank you to SHEIN. Y'all heard right, SHEIN has wigs. Human hair wigs at that. But super huge thank you to SHEIN for sponsoring today's video. So I am wearing their 28 inches, I can't remember the last time I got hair this long, 28 inches 5x5 closure wig. It is 180% density. The hair, I style this hair fresh out the box, y'all. So the curls that you guys see, fresh out the box, because I actually need to like leave literally like in 10 minutes. So I didn't even have time to even necessarily curl it any kind of different way, but I'm actually so happy it came with these curls. The color is so friggin' pretty. It comes pre-highlighted. It's blended out really nice. And I love that it has the black roots at the top. And that's the thing. This is actually like black and highlight versus that, you know, like dusty dark brown and highlights. So I was really happy. So I was like, yeah, my hair will definitely blend really nice with that. But y'all, look at this. I can literally put my hair up like this. I'm so freaking excited about this wig. I absolutely love it. So this is what it's looking like. It's really long, you guys. It's definitely true to length, like 28 inches. It's really given 28 inches. And again, I told you it came pre-curled like this. So this is literally a wig that you can install right out the box and go about your business like I did today. And I absolutely love this behind the hairline install because it looks so friggin' natural. Because I was a bit hesitant because the color, you know, this is definitely very much new for me, this color. So I was like, dang, this color plus being like a full-blown melt, it was giving anxiety. So I was like, how can I make this look like as natural as possible to ease me into it? And yeah, wigs behind your hairline is the new wave, okay? Especially if you're someone who you actually don't necessarily even want to do the whole, you know, melting and lacing and things like that, then I hope you guys definitely enjoy this tutorial. So again, I want to give a huge thank you to SHEIN for sponsoring today's video. So this is the package that your hair will arrive in. It's this little hieroglyphic, whatever you call it, box. Is really cute. So your hair will come in a Ziploc bag with a hairnet over it like you see right here. And they do also include a wig cap in your order as well, should you need one. So let's go ahead and get into it. Let me show you guys the construction of the wig. So this is the wig straight out of the box. Really pretty curls, really pretty color. As you can see, it is a 5x5 closure, and as you can see, the closure kind of has like a brownish tint to it, so it's definitely easier to blend with your skin should you want to wear it the normal way. It comes with an adjustable band, the 2 combs on the side, 1 in the back, and the adjustable straps on the side as well. So before we get into our install, we are going to cut off the lace, and you want to cut off the lace as close to the hairline as possible. We're not leaving any lace, okay? Now let's go ahead and prep your hair for the install. So for me, I didn't want to take out my braids, so I'm literally just taking out all the baby hairs, all the loose hair that I have going on in the front. You can leave as much hair as you want, it's up to you. Next, I am going in with my wig grip because this is a glueless install, and I'm just going to apply my wig and secure it to my head so it doesn't move or anything like that. Again, you can leave out as much hair in the front as you would like. Me, I was going for a very minimal leave out here, as you can see. So right here, we are going to get into the blending, and I'm just making sure I move all my hair out of the way. And right here, you can see we still have some lace that literally has no hair on it. We want all the unnecessary lace gone, okay? This is going to make for a more invisible, seamless blend. And it's wise to do this off of your head. Do not follow me. Okay, this was a very bad example. Please do not cut your hair off. Do this off of your head, y'all. So now to make it even more invisible, as you can see, you can still kind of see like the edge of the lace. I'm taking this mascara that I only use for my wigs, and I'm basically just going to cover up that lace that's on the very edge. And just by that alone, look at that, y'all. Look at that. You literally can't see any lace. It looks like my hair. But we're going to go ahead and, you know, perfect this thing up. So right here, I'm parting my hair and adjusting it. And I love how deep the part gets. 5x5 closures are so good because it allows you to just get a much more natural look, especially when you can get like a deep part versus like a 4x4 closure. So I always opt for 5x5 if it's available. So right here, I'm going in with my hot comb and a wax stick to, you know, lay down that part, make it more seamless, make it more natural, you know, rather than having that hump. And I did also go in with some concealer to make my part a little bit sharper and also to make it more look more natural, like skin tone. And now we're going to go ahead and get the edges. And this is when I realized, y'all, I didn't even turn on my flat iron this whole time. Let's try this again. So now that the flat iron is all ready, I'm going in with my pencil flat iron because, again, it's literally the very edges of my hair that's left out, and I want to get as close to my roots as possible, and this does the job. Like, this is the only flat iron I use on my edges, okay? Look at that. Melted. Like, I love this install, like, when it was all said and done. But I'm just going back over on the side. And again, if you want to leave more hair out, you can. I'm actually, you know, I'm doing this voiceover like way later, but I'm actually about to install this same wig this weekend and leave a little bit more hair out. Yeah, but y'all look at that. Look at that. The blend. Now, for me personally, because my braids were a little bit big under my wig and I just didn't have it tight enough, and I just really wanted it to be seamless, and I was going out, so I just sprayed a little bit of my Even spray and just put it right at the front just to like let that part stick down a little bit. But if you like tighten your wig tight enough, you won't need anything like at all. And here I'm going in, you know, cleaning up the edges, clean up the front kitchen. So yeah, I'm just doing, you know, a few little baby hairs to my liking. And I feel like this just even gives it a more natural look because it's like really your hair, your hairline. Like it, after it was all said and done, like it was just so pretty and just so seamless. So here I'm brushing out the curls just to get out any tangles, any knots, which obviously really wasn't that much. It's straight, like, you know, body wave hair. And here I didn't have enough time to actually curl the hair. So what I did was just finger coil the hair in the same directions that it came. But this is the finished product, y'all. So look at this hairline. Look at it. Melted in. Like, melted. It looks like I have a sew-in right now, not a wig. Like, it came out so, so good. Absolutely loved it. So this is the finished look, you guys. So yeah, if you're someone who like you don't want to learn how to melt and slay a lace because you don't necessarily like that lace look, especially like right up on your hairline, this is definitely the way to go. I'm not gonna lie, like honestly, this is probably, even though I did learn how to slay a lace, I think this is more so going to be my install method going forward, is just literally the very edges out and to just mask that lace, because I think it just looks so freaking natural to just have your natural forehead, natural baby hairs out. Like it just looks so good, no lace in sight. So this is the curls that it naturally came with, which is still like gorgeous. Like let's just be honest, like this is absolutely gorgeous. If I actually do this and I finger coil this one, boom, oh perfect, because I think that's what was bothering me was the front. Okay, so I'm just gonna coil the hair back in the direction it came perfect, perfect. And let me do one up here. And then we good to go. I don't have to curl it. Oh, this is so perfect. Look at that, y'all. Literally, I just had to coil it back in the direction it came curled. And clearly you can see this wig holds a curl. It came curled. I done brushed it out and everything, and it went right back into the curls. The hair is really soft, you guys. This is the finished look, you guys. And I'm loving the color. Yeah, this is gorgeous, and they did an amazing job at the highlights. If you are interested in this wig, then definitely make sure you check the description box. I will have all of the links and any coupon codes that I have for you guys. Definitely thumbs up this video if you would like more wig installs, or if you love this wig install behind the hairline versus like a melted lace. Definitely give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video.